Picture this, your father suddenly needs surgery, your company announces layoffs, or your two-wheeler breaks down right before an important interview. Sound familiar? If you're like most Indians, these scenarios probably make your stomach drop because you know you don't have enough savings to handle them. I'm Aswad, and today we're talking about something that can change your financial life forever, building an emergency fund that actually works for Indian families. Here's the reality. 78% of Indian households live paycheck to paycheck. When crisis hits, we end up borrowing from relatives, taking personal loans at 15% interest, or worse, touching our children's education fund. But what if I told you that with just 3 simple strategies, you could build a safety net that protects your family from any financial emergency? We're talking about a system that works whether you earn 25, 0 or 2.5 lakhs per month. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to calculate your emergency fund target, where to park this money for maximum safety and returns, and most importantly, how to build it without sacrificing your current lifestyle. Let's dive in.